Hello students, today we will see the recognition of tokens. We must study how to take the patterns for all needed tokens and build a piece of code that examines the input string and finds prefix that is a lexeme matching one of the patterns. So we have to find a tokens needed for the needed to recognize. So we will see an example here. Statement, see the statement. If experiment then statement, or if experiment then statement else statement. So here we can see the experiment. A term reloop item term indicates id or number. This is a figure related to the grammar for branching statement. Next we will see the terminals of grammar. If, then, else, reloop, id and number are the names of tokens. Patterns for these tokens are described using the regular definitions as digit. Digit includes 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means any one number. Next digits. Digits means digit plus. Means at least it should have one digit. Number digits dot and or question mark. Letter then small capital A to Z or small a to Z. ID letter or digit star. If is represented as if only. Then else reloop less than or greater than or greater than some number or equals to. Okay, then we will see the tokens, their patterns and attribute values. Lexemes token name attribute value. Okay, if then else any id pointer to the table entry, any number pointer to the table entry, reloop. So we have to study these symbols, then only we can understand the concept. Next, transition diagrams. Transition diagrams have a collection of nodes or circles or states. Each state represents a condition that could occur during the process of scanning the input, looking for a lexeme that matches one of several patterns. Edges are directed from one state of the transition diagram to the another. Each edge labeled by a or set of symbols. Some important contentions about transition diagrams are certain states are said to be accepting or final. It is as similar as your automata. These states indicate that a lexeme has been found, although the actual lexeme may not consist of all positions between the lexeme begin and forward pointers. It is necessary to retract the forward pointer one position. Then we shall additionally place a star near that accepting state. One state is designated as a start state or initial state. It is indicated by an edge. So it is similar to your automata. There will be a final initial state with the initial is indicated by arrow mark and start keyword. Okay, so here also the same concepts. Then the transition diagram always begins in the start state before any input symbol have been led. Transition diagram for reloop. Start, return loop means it is the different conditions. If it is lesser than or greater than or equals to, there are different conditions. Then create separate transition diagram for each keyword. Start. Next, non-let dig diagram. Any character that cannot be the concatenation of an identifier. Then transition diagram for a unsigned number. Okay, then we can indicate the unsigned number also in this diagram as shown. Next, transition diagram for whiter spaces. How to indicate whiter spaces? They have given the diagram for whiter spaces. Then recognition of reserved words and identifiers. Recognition keywords and identifiers presents a problem. Usually keywords like if or then all reserved, so they are not identifiers even though they look like identifiers. There are two ways that we can handle the reserved words that look like identifiers. Install the reserved words in the symbol table initially. A field of the symbol table entry indicates that these strings are never ordinary identifiers and tells which token they respect. When we find an identifier, a call to install ID places it in the symbol table. If it is not already there, then and returns a pointer to the sim table entry for the XMA found. Function get token examines the symbol table entry for the XMA found and retains the whatever the token name it the symbol tables says their XMA represents either ID or one of the keyword tokens that was initially installed in the table. Next topic is architecture of transition diagram based on lexical analyzer. Here we have a code to get token of get develop, token retoken noodle while switch state. So until the switch state is on, then case 0 we have different cases up to 8. They have just mentioned an example, go through it.